Good morning, YouTubers. This is Ron Nichols. I'm going to try to do a project that I saw on the internet. It is done by a guy named Eric. His URL is designsponge.com. I'm going to build a wine bottle tiki torch. As you can see, we have our wine bottle. We have Teflon tape. We have a ceiling grid hanger that's a 3/8. We have a 3/8 split ring connector. We have a 3/8, a 1/2 inch by 3/8 coupling. We have a 1/2 inch cap. We have two 3/8 hex nuts, two 1-inch wood screws, a 3/8 piece of all rod that's 4.5 inches long, and then of course our replacement wick. I'm going to pause the video for a second, get it all put together, and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, welcome back to your Facebook family. As you can see, I finished the project. I hung the 3/8 hanger on this post. I threaded the 3/8 all rod into the ceiling plate deal and then into the split ring connector. Then I secured the all rod to the plate and to the split ring connector with 3/8 nuts. I took my bottle, he didn't recommend it, but I put a couple of turns of Teflon tape around the neck, and then I inserted, put the bottle inside the neck, tightened it down. Up here I wrapped Teflon tape around the coupling and put the wick in, added my fuel, let the fuel get up to the wick. So now we're going to try and see if it works. And it works. While I'm thinking about it, I would like to add a word of caution. Whenever you're dealing with fire, especially in the summer months when it's real dry, I would keep a check on your flame. Make sure no one touches the bottle and knocks it off balance. It shouldn't fall, but just be mindful of that, especially around children. You don't want children putting stuff in there and starting a fire. This is basically just to keep the mosquitoes from tearing you up. But there you go, a tiki torch with I like the Parachute brand wine because I was a paratrooper. Thank you for watching my video. Remember, God loves you and I love you.